The majority of our work is on the beach, where we're there doing shark patrols. We've got a shark spotting technology which we draw on quite frequently, in addition to our rescue pods to provide stricken swimmers with assistance. An eye in the sky is handy. It offers a different perspective. It offers a surveillance capability that you might not achieve from a patrol tower. In addition to that, it also has speed on its side. You can get out to someone in distress quite quickly.
Did a 2-week training and then a 2-week internship, and that was just amazing. We all learnt some really cool skills, and yeah, it was very intense, very intense. There was a massive exam, a pretty hard practical, and yeah, it was a good challenge, yeah.
After our 2-week training course, we were given our REPLs to fly it was under 7 kilo size drones. So we've been flying around the Phantoms for the last few months doing shark patrols over Town Beach.
Like the 4 weeks paid off, and it was all for something, and now we can save lives. We've been doing shark spotting and for the last 5 months, and yeah, it feels like you're really doing something for the community, and it's just amazing. It's a good feeling.
We can do more surveying, we can do real estate jobs, we can do more demonstrations. Just basically get the word out there what the drones are and how they work and everything like that, and educate people.
Little Ripper is an ongoing thing that just keeps evolving, and yeah, we've been doing some training with the schools down in Newcastle for the last few days, and yeah, so there's no limit really with drones and this company, so.